I feel great comfort to know that I would contribute, would go directly to the people to bring them water wells and direct improvement.
Let me thank, if I could, each and every one of you, on behalf of those who know not how to ask or who to ask, and whose lives will be forever transformed. Throughout the country, wherever we go, in the fields and in the villages, we leave behind us hope, a glimmer of hope, and a promise of life with dignity. Human rights that we all deserve as human beings. Thank you so much.